Welcome to Xclusive Autoworks. Today I am the head detailer Scott Pierre, and today we are working on a GMC Sierra AT4. This car is going to get CQuartz Professional. This is our 2-year warranty coating. Obviously the coating lasts way longer depending on how you maintain the car. The back of the windows already has tint, so what we're gonna do is match the two fronts with carbon plus ceramic film. This is from the brand Shield. So definitely you can see a lot of light passing through, and what we wanna do is just match it so that you have the uniform look all around. But all in all, this car is just covered with salt, so it's gonna need a nice prep job. We'll be doing obviously a pre-wash with Car Pro Reset, where we'll use a microfiber and then just work from top to bottom. The wheels will be prepped. You can obviously see that the wheels are very filthy. They have caked up dirt on it, so we'll definitely be prepping that before coating. And then we'll spray down the wheel wells, which you can see a lot of salt from. It is still early in the season. I didn't know there was salt on the road, so that's kind of surprising to me. But obviously we'll do a full prep. So we're gonna include on this car a wash and clay bar before we even start machine polishing it. This vehicle has tints on the rear, and what he wants to do is match the two fronts with carbon plus ceramic film that we offered, which is from the company Shield. So we'll take a tint meter and read the visibility light transfer and then match it up onto the front so that it can have the uniform look all around. So stay tuned. Now that I finished washing the car, I'll be using a clay bit to shave off any particles within the paint, so that it'll be easier to 1, polish, and 2, for the coating to stick on. Now the car is fully taped up. We taped along the quarter panel because this is plastic trim over here and up top. So what we're doing is now doing the polishing stage, which you'll hear in the background. The front window now matches the back, and you can see the carbon ceramic fill just doing a nice job. So the car has been fully rinsed off. We already finished doing the polishing on the whole car. We did the glass, and now we are up to using Car Pro Eraser. This is our prep solution, basically like an alcohol content solution that removes all the oils from the polishing and the residue that allows us to stick on the ceramic coating. So anytime you install ceramic coating within your vehicle, you want to use something like Car Pro Eraser prior to installing the coating. So I'm going to start wiping each panel. So the car is fully prepped. We prepped the tires, the rims. These are gonna get blackout coating. That's gonna get professional. The body is gonna get professional also on the plastic trims and on the paint. The glass is gonna get, once again, Car Pro Fly-by-30. We're gonna do that on all 4 glasses, the back one, and we're gonna do it on the side mirrors too. Wait, is there anything on my teeth? Here we are. The car is fully coated. The tints are done. We coated the tires, the rims, the body. The glass has 20% ceramic on the 2 fronts, matching the back. So you can for tuning in to Xclusive Autoworks. That's Kevin, that's Charles, that's Crispy Chris, and Will somewhere not working. Tune into our next video where we'll work on another project. Hopefully it's featuring me because I'm the bread and butter of the business, but thank you for tuning in and catch us on the next one. See you.